Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love we change your life. Me see her tears, me wipe them away, till our baby will rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, my soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, burn through the night. Love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above. Forever rebel of love. Inna the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom and in land. Love go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love. Ooh, oh, Ubuntu brother, love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry on. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice. Rebel of love, we make the choice. No more fear, no more pain. Love reign again. Rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the mire, from Trenchtown to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong. Beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Ooh, wow. Wow, yeah, yeah. Me and you, hand in hand. Love rebuild, broken land. Rebel of love, we won't give up. 'Cause Jah pour the blessing in our cup, in our songs. Me wake up with the sunrise glow, feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow. Hear mama hum in ancient song, say old faith child stay strong. Road dusty but me march again, through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not them. 'Cause a warrior of light must remain. Oh mama say no fear my son, stars shine brightest when night come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear.
Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light, just soldier in the fight through the darkness of the night. My spirit still burn bright, no chains can hold me soul, no system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe one love can end the fight.
No Babylon, no pressure.
Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, my brother, light live forever.
Me see youths with no shoes, yet them still and promise, but them break every plan. So we build up in a song like a true Rasta man. From Kingston streets to Nairobi land, from Soweto cries to Zion sand. We sing freedom like the beating drum till every last chain undone. Hey, Jaja,
Light up the way we go.
oh Mama Africa,
Your spirit in how we flow.
warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no bow.
Fire of love, let it glow, let it glow.
I'm gonna worry of the light, a blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spy, we choose the path of right.
No weapon form shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light, keep marching to the flame. Call your name, no shame. We rise again and again till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love, standing firm, living proof.
Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on through the night. Dark guide me every fight till morning sunshine bright.
Born in the fire of a stolen land. Chains on your feet, but strength in your hand. They tried to break you, tried to erase, but your roots still grow in every place. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. They can steal gold, they can steal the crown, but never the rhythm or the drumbeat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana shore, your blood remembers what you're fighting for. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. Lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawl. Walk tall, African child.
child eyes. Them barefoot but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land. Beat the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh Jah, guide us, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh Mama Africa, we feel your love in all the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go, we go. Tears turn to freedom, no more fear. Jah whisper healing in our the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Hey. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand. One blood, one love across the land. Though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound. Hey, yeah. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Your love carry me through the fight till darkness fade out of sight.
Raindrop fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune or fame, still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rubber dub rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips taste like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me, yeah. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving all the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving all the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rubber dub rain, baby, don't let go. Rubber dub rain, love will overflow. Loving all the rubber dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rubber dub rain, our rain falls, love calls. You and I stand tall. come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beating on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa, call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sand to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild. They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still upon the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop your people rising. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Drum and bass keep rolling round and round. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, Charlotte never lost, it's always found. Roots man vibration, rise up and stand. Hold your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. We chant this roots man vibration. You see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as Zion breeze. Freedom grow like fruit on the trees. Them say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, me brothers and me sisters. The root at the start, not the end. Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jamdoland, one jaw, one heart, one stand. Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Jah, Jah, we still hold on. Roots man leave, never gone.
Roots man vibration, shake up the wall. Freedom voice, echo for all. No more chain, no more fear. We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration, light up the sky. Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing their song. Roots man heart forever strong. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground.
Roots man still drum.
Roots man vibration,
Just still turn.
roots man,
Roots man and diamond.
roots man vibration,
Roots man and diamond.
in the ground.
Africa mama,
Roots man vibration,
feel your call. One world, one love for all that can. One world, one love for all that can.
sitting by the coconut tree. Waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and soul needs a place where the light meets walking down this dusty lane. No need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On the one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. Under golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On the one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yeah. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one name. One love, one name.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, and nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to dim. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace.
One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yeah. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, no. Oh, no. From Kingston Street to Lagos town, from Cape Coast shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Your love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. fight for clout, but me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway, spirit of love guide the way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together, we stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid, one world, one heartbeat, beating through every color, red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa. Oh, we guide.
Ubuntu,
I am because we are
one world family, near and far.
Simunye,
Together we rise.
Jah light shining on all we eyes.
Drumbeat echo from shore to shore. One world, people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free.
One world, unity, one world, one heartbeat. Rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trenchtown hills to Accra street, we move to one heartbeat. Oh, one world, one heartbeat. Jah plan divine, peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One world where we all belong. Where we all belong.
Where we all belong.
Feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide.
Jah love flow like ocean wide.
One world, one heartbeat.
We rise.
Ay, 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 ay. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. They teach us life from the day we born. Say keep your head low, don't question norm. But me see truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Like no bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution coming, a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time for see true Babylon disguise. One drop revolution, beat up the heart. Freedom sound tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. Drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music kill the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. Me see the leaders talking a big TV, but hungry still there on every street. Me see them build the tower high, forget the poor. How long we are so for more? Me tell me people unite, don't fight. Light over farm the darkest night. From Trenchtown straight to Jakarta sun. The freedom song just begun. Can't silence truth with silver chain. Can't stop the root from grow again. So we chanting on the name of Jah. Rebel with love, that's who we are. One drop revolution, sound of the drum. We rise again no matter where we from. From Kingston drumbeat of the earth. Find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, roots and freedom, Jah knows. Yeah. Babylon calls with silver chains, but I won't bow to golden names. Riches fade like morning light, oh, but truth will stand and fight.
Emancipate your mind today. Don't let fear lead you astray. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within.
Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, roots and freedom, Jah knows. Roots and freedom, roots and freedom, Jah light will lead us home. Ooh. Yeah. Even after the darkest night, oh, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Oh, sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jah Jah see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray.
Kingston town to Berlin Lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, Jah promise. Sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, shine bright tonight.
Choo-choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Hey, nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put change round our hands, change round our mind. Teach me if you follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From trench town plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jah plan. Freedom train, take the people's hand. All aboard, don't you delay. Justice come for light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk, but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beating at them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train. Do you hear it?
Yes, I hear it.
Do you feel it?
Yes, I feel it.
Jah calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Truth and rights we shall proclaim. I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, and every man, woman and child deserve to stand.
Freedom, freedom.
Right on, right on. Freedom train is rolling. Take the children home. No one left in the streets alone. From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Can't stop the flame. Jah light guide the holy name. Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride the freedom train. Choo choo, ride on, ride on. Freedom come. No more chain. Ride the train, the freedom train. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night, me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul, we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, a new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry, only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain my soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along over Zion, yeah. The light of Jah upon the lion, yeah. Righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Lift your voice, lift your soul. Zion fire make we whole. Hey together, bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion, oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Rise, my brother, rise. Sunshine, heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, sunshine over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Sunrise glow, hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow, my spirit whisper, don't you fear, Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In a the struggle me find me peace, in a the storm me find release. Though the world so cold, my soul still warm, cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain night, wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul, give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore, yeah, nah, nah. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where your fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Jah light forevermore. Me heart and soul restore.
Much of your life is we try.
Guided by the hand of Jah God. Rise up now, what children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum, beat the call. Light of Jah, shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore. Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me heart, when I know. Me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Jah. Me hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call me name. Say, son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall, me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through me vein. The system try to break me down, but me spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by me side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on me dream last night. Come home, me child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant on Babylon every dawn, till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts From the dust of broken town, people cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try to bind, Jah light will take control. Children barefoot in the streets sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayer in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not about to fear or pain, 'cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling nigh and nigh again. Stand together, hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion heart, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through this storm. Together we rise, together we born. We got with us, we stand firm, feel right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Lucky Dube cry out, prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call your name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother, sister quarreling vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound, from Kingston streets to Cape Town ground. Burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn but we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah time it never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. We remember, from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender, never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love, we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar, we not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun till the battle day is won. One world, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. That's we rise up, rise up. Jah light guide us home. Rise up, rise up. While as we run my love, rise up, one love, one. We are never alone. Since the day I saw your smile, time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is apart, you still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we hold love tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only way. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no change tonight. We chant for peace and human rights. sirens in the street again. Another youth brought down by the system's chain. They say freedom is for everyone, but the poor man still can't see the sun. No more lies, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line. We're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender. We won't fall. Human rights can't be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. While the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat, I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, 'cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told. Justice on the front line. Justice on the front line. Justice on the front line. We're standing tall. Justice on the front line. Na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Me walk through the valley where the people cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand. Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion Plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier, never walk in vain. Me see kings with crown, but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide and build border, but love no know no all. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echo in every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Hey mama Africa, we feel your heartbeat. Yeah, all brothers rise and fight. Stand firm for truth and right. Change broken spirit high. No more tears, no more cry. Jah light, guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no chains again. again. No change again. Change again. No change again.
Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough but me will hear the drum beat from the distance, Africa calling. Even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustle it in a cold city street. Barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure but we no retreat, cause iron heart still a beat, beat, beat. Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when they push you to the darkest side. Chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat. No surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone building hope from the fall. Politician talk but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming a better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on the tree. Speak truth about love and unity. He said freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa a flowing, you and me.
Hey Mama Africa,
We hear you calling ya.
oh Jaja,
Guide we soul, never let we fall.
rise up warriors.
Stand tall, love are the key, love conquer all. Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we are once. Lion heart still beat. Let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. With destiny is freedom right. Oh, lion heart still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path me a walking. No change, no fear, just love we speaking.
No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jah crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, Jah sun still rise in the morning. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire fight for the youth, them soul. We will fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Uru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart. Cause we walk with a lion heart. Lion heart freedom. Lion heart freedom. Yeah, lion heart freedom. Lion heart freedom. Yeah, lion heart freedom. Lion heart freedom. Yeah, I say one people, one destiny. Wake up to the morning light. Though the world is cold sometimes, I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with Jah love lighting my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. Jah guide my way. Crown and selfish schemes, but I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate. But even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers, you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace. Let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Emancipate your wandering mind. Leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my soul from drifting away. Through Plan B take over from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama Earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, stop the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down. From the mountain to the sea.
If the earth die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lady.